For your secret sexual power, you need a aloe vera. I'm going to keep this aloe vera here. Here you can see there is a aloe vera. It's natural and organic. Another ingredient, you need to add some black pepper. You need to add 3 pieces of dates, dried dates. You need to add some pistachios, and you also need to add some kajus, I mean some dry fruits along with this. So note these ingredients: aloe vera, black pepper, pistachios, dry dates, and kajus for this recipe. So what we should do with all of these things, you need to crush in grinder mixer. So I'm going to crush all of these these dates, pistachios and kajus, and aloe vera as well. And after that I will add some black pepper powder here, and 1 spoon pure honey, pure honey, unfiltered honey along with this. So let me do this. Well, I'm going to cut these dates in a small pieces in the coffee cup here like this, and after you can use a grinder mixer. I'm going to cut these dates via dagger. Similarly, you can cut these pistachios as well like this, as you early did with the dates like this. I'm going to cut these kaju pieces as well like this here. Sorry. Now what the next step, and that is very important, you just need to add some this glowy liquid in this. You can see the aloe vera juice is here, so I'm going to add this. Well, I am going to collect this aloe vera juice in the spoon here, but remember, a small portion you need to add in the cup. So I'm going to add this. Well, after adding the aloe vera juice, I'm going to add some black pepper powder here. So you need to add like this, but a small portion, Well, next step is very important again. Add some pure honey, and it should be a raw and unfiltered honey. You can buy it from your store. So I'm going to add a half spoon here, the pure honey, and mix this very well. And next step is you need to eat this in the morning time before the breakfast, and you will see the amazing sexual results, guys. Thank you so much. Mix it well and eat this. So I'm going to eat this. Thank you.